Welcome back to CryptoGains for another video. I want to show you what I see on the Bitcoin price chart. If it's sounding interesting, interesting, my words. Drop the like and subscribe. I've been showing you this 3-day time frame, right? We've got on a 3-day time frame. I've got the moving averages of 100 3-day moving average and the 200 3-day moving average. Sounds weird because I'm used to saying 100-day and 200-day. Anyway, it's been precise when it comes to looking for what kind of trend we're in, if we're in a bull trend or a bear trend, and is it still lasting. And I just want to touch back real quick before I show you what's going on here to help new people understand. When we're in a bull trend, especially coming out of a bear market, price breaks above the green line, breaks above the red line, and then the price always remains above the green line in a bull trend. You can see here, look, this is the price action. No matter if it goes up, oh, a bit of a funny looking swerve, price goes up, falls down, and stays above the green line, comes up, look, it's been hovering above the green line. Price action will always remain above the green line in a bull trend. The only time you see it break is when there's signs of weakness and the trend has already reversed or is reversing, and that's it. It's a bear market. And what happens after that is price finds it hard to stay above, and then eventually it just gets to this not that high gets to the red line, and then bang, massive drop of at least 40 to 50%. We've seen it happen many a times in the cycles, right? So look, massive wave up, there's your sign of weakness. Yeah, we had a double top, but eventually couldn't hold it, and it falls down for a massive drop. Let's see where we are right now. So I showed you this is the 3-day time frame. Look, we saw a pierce through. Now for me, that was kind of like a warning sign, because like I said, we never see it pierce below this green line in a bull trend, but it did. But so far, candles have been holding up. But the question is this a sign for what could come in the future? Meaning, if Bitcoin doesn't break above a certain price and start rising, will we, or lifting off, because obviously it has to go up or down, is this a sign to let us know where we should be selling, or is the market going to start coming down? So I'm going to show you the other chart that I want to show you, which is the Keltner channel in a second. But just one more thing to really pay attention to with this is, if it breaks this green line and we start to see candles below it, we're going to see it come down to the red line, which obviously at this time the red line will be moving more, and then eventually we will see it pierce the red line and fall down and see a massive 40 to 50%, which at that point we'll have to talk about it, because we're talking a devastating drop. I mean, 40% is there, $24,000 Bitcoin, and it sounds crazy to think, right? That's the worst case scenario. I don't want to see that yet. I want it to remain on a bullish trend, right? Let's have a look. So even though this looks good, it looks nice, it came above, it held support off of this green line, it even bounced off it for the second 3 days, because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that makes up 3 days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We still have to pay attention to this, which is the Keltner channel, because Bitcoin is still underneath this yellow line. The Keltner channel is very simple. You've got 2 blue lines and you've got a yellow line, which is the middle line. When price action is above this yellow line and it remains between the yellow line and the top blue line, it's bullish. This is the sign of the trend reversal. We were bear, whoop, switch, now we're bull, like this. I'm going to change it yellow so you can see, right? That shows that we are in a bull trend. Oh, I kept it red. Let me just delete this. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm just trying to show you that when we're above this yellow line and we bounce between it, it's a bullish sign. We saw a little sign of weakness here. I was waiting for it to fall through. It didn't. That's a very rare event. But a lot of the time we have been above like this, you see, and we've remained above the yellow line and the blue line in between those two, which signals a bull trend. So now we're below it, and we came close to really piercing through it, but we haven't yet. But we need to see the candles come above. And again, I just want to show you what I'm seeing here. It's been the second row of 3 days and we still haven't gotten above this yellow line, which right now, let's bring it down a bit, it's about 61,600. Like I said in the past, I want to see Bitcoin come up to about 62,000, 62 to 63,000 and remain there. If we can see Bitcoin's price come up like this and then remain there and then start taking off again, then that's bullish. If it cannot get above this yellow line, then expect the worst to happen. That it just could be a sign of rolling over, and then eventually prices are just gonna come rolling over and then eventually come down like this, and then it could be a bit of a shock to everyone if that happens, right? So we need to see Bitcoin remain above $62,000. Guys, that was it. It's just super simple. I want to update you on this. If it was helpful, drop that like. give me a subscribe if you're new. I'm going to be showing you this all the time. You need to see it. Not many people are showing you these charts, especially on the 3-day time frame. You need to see what's going to happen, and I'm going to make sure you guys are aware of this and seeing what's going on so we can prepare ourselves in advance. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.
Never be defeated.